Welcome back to another episode of my podcast. And without wasting any time, let's start the episode. So, let me tell you one successful business story which will definitely motivate you for starting your own business. So, this story is about a boy who was preparing for the toughest exam called CAT, and he was preparing for CAT to get admission into MBA college. He worked hard and he used to study sincerely for 8 to 10 hours a day to compete for CAT exam. But he failed 3 times and his failure demotivated him, and now he wasn't having enough courage to touch the books and study. And because of his repetitive failure, he got depressed and dropped the idea of CAT preparation. He needed a break and went to different cities of India looking for solace. And then he landed in Ahmedabad. He can't roam in the entire India without making any money. And for living, you have to earn something. So he decided to work at McDonald's. He was even promoted as a kitchen staff. But there was something inside him which he wanted badly, and the thing was his own identity. In the McDonald's, people used to take orders from him and go, and nobody used to ask his name. And then he started thinking of opening his own business. He went for treasure hunt in Ahmedabad for starting his own cafe, but the minimum investment was too high that a middle class man can't afford it. After thinking for hours, he finally came into a conclusion that he will open his own tea stall. But he was lacking courage because he knew that people will make fun of him. Like a young, smart boy selling tea on roadside isn't fair enough. And it took him 45 days to collect the utensils, ingredients, as well as the courage. His investment for the startup was only 15,000 rupees. At first, he used to attend the MBA course from a local college and then open his stall in the evening. And soon he realized that he is not made for MBA course. And then he started running the tea stall as a full-time job. On his first day, he got zero customers. So he went to the nearby shops and people and introduced his new startup. People were surprised as he was speaking in English. And in India, we have a concept that only illiterate people sell tea. And because of his communication skills, he got fame in very short period of time. And the difficult phase again came into his life. Now the other tea sellers were so jealous of him as he was earning enough money as well as customers. They brutally threw him by giving some lame reasons. He again felt demotivated and thought of pursuing MBA again. But he has already earned so many loyal customers that they were calling him and asking where he is. So after 10 to 15 days, he went to a hospital and there he asked the owner if he can open his stall there or not, and even he was ready to pay the rent 10,000 rupees, and the owner agreed. And he reinvented the strategy of selling tea to his customers. He put a whiteboard on his stall for the job seekers and for the job providers. And this technique made his business more successful. And after a stable growth, he named his business as MBA Chaiwala, which stands for Mr. Bilore Ahmedabad Chaiwala. So many people mocked at him and asked, is this the only profession he could get and he could think of despite of being educated? But he was already having self-confidence and enough courage to ignore these kind of people. His name is Praful Bilori. MBA Chaiwala was also invited to IIMs and Harvard for delivering a talk. And there are so many things which we can learn from Praful's story. One thing which I personally consider as important lesson is that hard work will always pay you back. It might take some time, but don't forget that none of your knowledge or none of your hard work will go waste. Hard work today, give your 100% and eat the fruit of success in future. And Praful Bilore's success story also taught us that we should follow our passion and we should ignore the judgmental peoples. Don't let anyone drag you down. So that was the end of the episode, and I hope you all are doing good. And thank you so much for listening. Stay safe and have a nice day.